Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Romestead game not launching or won't launch issue, not starting problem, or game not loading problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to restart Steam. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam. Or you can also click on this arrow icon, right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam. This will close the Steam and then again relaunch Steam and then launch the Romestead game and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Romestead game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on Romestead game and then click on properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to disable Smart App Control. So in Windows search, type Smart App Control and open it. And if it is turned on, then turn it off. Click Yes to allow. And after turning it off, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to run the game from game installation folder or run the game as an administrator. So go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the Romestead game folder. Now first double click the Romestead exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on Romestead exe file and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking the Romestead exe file and see if that helps or not. If that doesn't help, then untick run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the Romestead game folder and then look for Romestead exe file and select it and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it to the list, go back. Then click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Then click on allow another app and then click on browse. And then browse to the game installation folder. So again browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Romestead game folder. Select Romestead exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark for the Romestead game. This is just an example and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, etc., then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later, you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. If still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall a Romestead game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive or external SSD drive and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Romestead game not launching or won't launch issue, not opening, not starting or not loading problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.